Welcome to this deep dive into generative AI. Today, we are exploring the invisible engine that drives artificial intelligence behavior, system prompts and instructions. Have you ever wondered why an AI assistant acts like a helpful teacher, a pirate, or a coding expert? It all starts here. So, what exactly is a system prompt? Imagine you are a director working with an actor. Before the play begins, you give them a private note about their character's motivation and personality. That is the system prompt. It is a set of hidden instructions given to the model before the user even types their first hello. It defines the rules of engagement. It is important to distinguish between the two types of inputs. The user prompt is what you type into the chat box, like asking for a poem or a recipe. It changes every time. The system prompt, however, is persistent. It sits in the background, quietly enforcing the rules and style for the entire conversation, regardless of what the user asks. One of the most powerful uses of a system prompt is defining a persona. You can instruct the model to be a patient teacher who explains things simply, or a senior software engineer who focuses on efficiency. This persona dictates the vocabulary, tone, and complexity of the answers you receive. System prompts also act as safety rails. They define what the model should not do. For example, you can command it to never give medical advice, to always keep answers under 50 words, or to maintain a strictly professional tone. These constraints ensure the AI remains safe and useful for its specific purpose. To reduce errors or hallucinations, we provide context. If you are building a customer support bot, the system prompt should include the company's return policy and the current date. Telling the model that it only knows events up to January 2024 helps it understand its own limitations. You can also control the shape of the answer. If you are a developer, you might want the AI to reply strictly in JSON format or Markdown tables. You can even instruct it to provide code blocks without any conversational filler text. This makes the output machine-readable and ready for software integration. Let's look at the flow of information. The model effectively looks at three things: the system prompt, the conversation history, and your current input. The system prompt usually takes priority, filtering how the model interprets your new question based on the established rules and past context. A technique called few-shot prompting involves giving the model examples of good behavior right inside the system instructions. By showing the AI 3 examples of how to classify a sentiment as positive, negative, or neutral, you drastically improve its ability to handle new, unseen inputs correctly. There are mistakes to avoid. Ambiguity is the enemy. If you are vague, the model will guess, often incorrectly. Contradicting instructions, like asking for a detailed essay in one sentence, will confuse the model. And remember, telling the model what to do is often more effective than just telling it what not to do. We see these prompts in action everywhere. Customer support bots use them to stay polite and on brand. Coding assistants use them to follow specific programming style guides. In video games, non-player characters use system prompts to remember their backstory and relationship to you, the player. To wrap up, remember that system prompts are the foundation of AI interactions. They define the who, the how, and the boundaries of the model. By mastering persona, constraints, and context, you can transform a generic language model into a specialized tool that perfectly fits your needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.